Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by identifying the 5 highest impact tasks to hand off and why they free your time. Once done, set up communication, a shared drive, task tracker, and a 30-minute daily check-in so nothing stalls. Make one-page SOPs for each task with templates and turnaround expectations. This reduces questions and speeds training. You'll also pick the assistant's primary access level and login method so they can act immediately without bottlenecks. Next, you train by doing. Run live screen share sessions and record every walkthrough so the VA can replay procedures. Once trained, assign pilot tasks with clear KPIs, for example, 24-hour lead response and 90% data accuracy, and review results. At the same time, integrate the VA into your CRM, email templates, calendar invites, and contract routing so their outputs plug into your existing systems. Make sure to give feedback after. Finally, scale the assistant's workload slowly and monitor performance with a weekly dashboard showing response time, error rate, and completion percentages. Once comfortable, add 1 or 2 responsibilities each week and keep weekly check-ins focused and actionable. If things go wrong, immediately reduce access, replay the relevant training recording, and reassign tasks while you diagnose. This preserves transactions and protects clients. Make sure to document fixes so the same issue doesn't repeat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.